How to open GitHub project in Visual Studio Code. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can download and use GitHub projects in your Visual Studio Code. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first steps first, open up your GitHub. So if you already have projects in your GitHub, you can always use that. So head over to github.com, log into your account, and head over to your repository. To do that, you can tap on the three lines here. You can find your projects and everything from here and basically be on the page. Now let me search for a basic tic-tac-toe in GitHub to download. You can download your own project. It's completely fine. Since I don't have any of my own projects, I will be downloading one from the web. So after you are on the repository of your project, you will see something like this. All you have to do is head over to the code option you'll find right here. Tap on that and tap on download zip. So there you will see download zip option. Tap on that and download the zip file for it. Now, depending on the project, it can take some time to download the zip, so just wait for it. After it downloads, you can then open it up. And all you have to do first is extract it. So right click on the folder, tap on extract all, and extract it. After you've extracted that, you can then move on to the next step, which is opening up your Visual Studio. So search for VS Code, open that up, and after you open that up, you'll need to then start a new project. So let me close this up, head over to File, or if you're here, tap on Open Folder option. You'll then need to head over to the file location where you had your downloaded folder or extracted folder. There we go. Open this up, head over to this folder again, then you can start. Tap on Select Folder, and there we go. We have just opened up the project. Tap on this, and there we go. And that's how you do it. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos, and bye-bye. Take care.